how to change your TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. Quick and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first of all, open up TikTok application and get in profile on the bottom right. And here you can press edit profile button to get in profile menu. And here find username, tap here, and then you should completely delete the existing username and then tap here whatever you want. Let it be, for example, such kind of username. I like it and I press save. TikTok asks me if I really want to set my username, and I just press set username button to confirm my changes. That's it, so simple and easy. Now you know how to change your TikTok username without waiting for 30 days. Make sure you liked and subscribed this video. See you next time.